Emva kwaloko sahleli nje kanti basesonke endlini. Kwangena sabona umuntu kulomnyango lo kade ngopoint ekuqaleni.
Okay, bambe lapho ke.
Yes. Yes, you may continue.
Correct.
Umuntu ongenayo uphethe isibhamonza ama-dread.
The person that came in was carrying a firearm and he had dreadlocks.
Agqoke ijacket. I'm not sure caramel or brown but engathi desk nyana nje umbala wakho ni jacket.
Ngathi yini?
Ngathi brown nyana.
Okay.
Faka isigqoko.
He was wearing a hat.
What type of hat?
Isigqoko esinjani?
Bese isikotshi nyana nje isincane. I think bese namabala white and black. But bese isikotshi isigqoko nje. Angazi usichaza kanjani. Akusithi isigqoko sendiwanga but lezi igqoko. Akusizo lezi ithambili lezi. Angazi usichaza kanjani. But bagqoka isigqoko esisikotshi.
I don't know how to describe it. The witness refers to something scotch, but it was not a woolen hat, and it had some black and white colors, but a small one. Chaza yena, buyena nje ukuthi ngokomzimba ke ukuthi wayengumuntu okanjani.
Bemfishane ne.
Person was short.
Yes.
Ayinamehla amakhulu.
With big eyes.
Yes. What other description can you give? Is it all?
Ikupho kunye ongachaza ngayo noma yilokho nje kuphela.
Elokho engikhumbulayo.
That's what I can recall.
Yes, you may proceed.
Ungaqhubeka.
Lo muntu angena khona la emila akakhuluma into eningi.
When this person came out and stood right there at that opening, that person did not say a lot.
Yes.
Yeah.
Azangakhuluma futhi into eningi, wasifuna amafoni nemali.
That person didn't say a lot of things, required phones from us and money.
Yes.
Yes. Which language did he speak?
Ekhuluma ngaluphi ulimi?
Izulu, wakhuluma izulu.
IsiZulu.
Yes.
Yebo.
Then ukuphazima kwehlo umfana kaChiko nje behleli la.
Bambe lapho ke. Just in a twinkle of an eye, as Chico's son was seated there, it is now on this couch which is on the right, according to the witness, at the far left. As Chico's son was seated there, yebo.
Just refer to him by his name.
Long.
Okay.
Long
way. Yebo.
Wasuka la ngesikhulu speed la, akekho lindele endlini. Lo muntu angithi umla wamphusha.
Chico pusha
Lo mfana ulong.
So the long.
Yes.
Okay. And then he just, without anyone expecting inside the house, he moved from moved from where he was seated and pushed this guy.
Makamphusha.
Okay. That's not just. Yebo. Sure.
So makamphusha. Angazi waphuma ngoba waphuma ngilini. So kathi emphusha
So the bani waphuma.
lo mfana kaChiko.
Okay.
Ulong.
So pushe lo muntu waphuma yena.
Waphuma ne.
Okay, when he pushed this, when Longwe pushed this guy, he went out, uphuma endlini.
Yes.
Out of the house.
Who exited the house?
Uthi
Was it
uLongwe waphuma.
Longwe or both the
Long.
Longwe my
Long.
lord.
Yes, you may continue.
So by the time ade phusha lo muntu la, lethwe la endlini bathola ichange ukuthi kusukuma bakusukuma because ukhelwa sukuma.
Okay, when he pushed the guy who was standing there at the opening, that's where now people inside the house got a chance to get up, because that's when Kelly got up.
Oh, namase I think ukhelwa ngina kule room la because waphuma wabaleka ngathi I think wangena kule room la.
Asibambe lapho. I think Kelly went into that room. The witness is pointing just out. There's a door there. Go into a bedroom.
Yeah.
So the witness says he thinks Kelly got into that room.
Yes.
Yebo.
So namang sukuma cause bengifaka ukhonko
Just for record purposes, it was described as bedroom 1.
Is it agreed?
It was described by Sergeant Musia as bedroom 1.
Agreed, my lord.
Okay, uthi nawe masukuma ngoba ufake ukhonko.
Yeah.
So namang sukuma cause endlini bese kunesiphithiphithi.
Okay.
Sengibona the second guy la ekitchen.
Bambe lapho. Also, when I got up, because it was now just up and down in the house, I saw now a second guy pointer. I'll point the foot in the kitchen
Yeah.
where the witness is pointing.
Ubeka la cause ubeka banjo usenza isandla so. Ambamba isandla saka right.
Usenzo bambe isandla sakhe guy.
Yeah.
He was right there at the kitchen because Senzo was holding this guy's right hand like this. Kanjena mi.
Yeah, wembamba isandla lesandla. Emcikisa uTongi.
And he was pressing him against the wall. So him.
Was he holding the first or the second guy?
Ubambe lo wokuqala noma lo wesibili.
Ilo muthi.
Okay, it's the third one.
Yes.
It's the third one.
No.
Umbuzo uthi ujaji sinokwazi.
There's the
It's
first,
the second
second
one, my lord.
Second one.
How did you hold him?
Uthi wayembambe
Wembamba
kanjani?
isandla lesaka right.
His right hand like this, my lord.
Empressele eTongi.
Pressing him against the wall.
Then ngithi njengoba ngibona usenzeni la ngithi ngiyaphuma mina ne because umnyango ula wasekitchen.
Okay, bambe lapho. As I saw Senzo standing there, my intention was to go out because the kitchen door was right there. Yebo.
Yes.
Yebo.
Then mangifika senze bambe lo muntu lo ne because bembambe ngimixile. Ufike ngishaya nami kulo muntu lo ne. Ngishaya ngisibhakela ne.
Okay. Upon arriving, when I got there and I saw Senzo pressing this person against the wall, then when I got there, I hit him with a fist. I think it's Bagela.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yebo.
Where did you hit him?
Umshaya kuphi nendawo?
Ngamshaya.
Awujike.
Ngamshaya la.
Imayibamba ujaji azokubona ujike so ngenzela ujaji ukuthi abone.
Yes.
The witness pointing to the left side of the face. Is ujike ujaji akabona. The left side of the face, my lord.
Yes.
Yes, you may proceed.
Then after lokho njalo umuntu elasenza impressela ngimshaya kwaphuma isibhamu.
Thereafter, whilst this person was there, held by Senzo against the wall, and I hit the person with a fist, that's when a shot went off.
Lo nginikuqala lo mfishane ubeka shower uMakheli noKheli nozandi ne because ubeka phethe ama crutches wami uzanda I think after sekuqhumeke isibhamu ngabaleka ngawo ngina kule bedroom lela.
Before,
What type of crashes?
Amakrashi anjani la sikhuluma ngapha?
Angwazi kama type awo ama crash ngilawa silver ngilawa nini angazi kabizwa.
I don't know the types, but it's the silver ones. Uthe uzandi uma wakhe noKheli angithi bona bobathathu babeshaya lo owangena qala angithi. So usikhombise ukuthi kwakuphi nendawo la babemshayela khona.
Beba la kitchen la.
They were here in the kitchen. They were pointing at the kitchen.
Are you able to point out where Kelly, her mom, and Zandi were?
Ungasikhombisa lana ke ukuthi uKheli uma wakhe noZandi
When they were assaulting the other person?
babekuphi nendawo nkathi beshaya lo wangena qala.
Beba la because angikhumbula ngeza nomsinda we-drawer kuvuleka i-drawer iphuni nesidrawer Samuel.
Okay.
Beba la.
Ukhomba kule ndawo kunelapho niyelo ngithi. The witness is pointing out just next to that yellow hole there, they were there, because I even heard the noise being made by a drawer, because there's a drawer somewhere there with spoons.
yes.
So after iqhuma kwisibhamu because ikhishi lila lincane ngaqhuma isibhamu then bezwa amadlebe ngathi ayavale ngabaleka ngawo ngene bedroom lebe ngiphoyi.
All right. After the firearm went off, because now the kitchen is small, It was like now my eyes were
Yes.
closed. Sorry. It was like now my ears were like, I couldn't hear anything, were closing. And then that's when I ran to the bedroom that I pointed out earlier on.
Where was the sound of the firearm coming from?
Now, ukuqhuma kwesibhamu lokho kwakubuya ngakuphi noma kwakutsho ngakuphi?
I think kwakusekitchen
I think it was in the kitchen
because umsindo omkhulu litsa ngithi kawuvale amandla. I think kwakusekitchen.
because it was a loud noise that even closed my ears. I think it was in the kitchen.
Yes.
So mangibalekela kule bedroom kune bed ebila la eceleni la ngipointe khona.
Okay. When I ran into that bedroom, can you pin the point in it?
In a
There was
bed,
a bed just there where I'm pointed. Let's see, pointing at bedroom 2.
Then
Yebo.
la kune impahla ingubo ila ngafihla khona ifoni yami.
And then there were some clothes, some blankets. That's where I hid my phone.
Yes. Because mangena la endlini ngaqalaza la ngithi ngifuna ukuphuma ngefestera but bekunamabhakla la.
Okay. Because when I went into the house, I looked around there and I wanted to get out through the window, but there were burglar bars.
Yeah, ili room lile ngabalekela kulona.
That's the bedroom I ran into.
His photo number.
Ngini kokuthi ubaleke kuyongena kulele kamera wayekuphi uSenzo yena?
Akekho ngambona le nto ngabe endlini ukuthi bayenza kanjani because ngabaleka ngeza ngala bedroom. Sibe kitchen after kuphuma usibam. So angazi babaleka baya ngakuphi.
I don't know where they went to or which directions they ran to. That is now the people that were in the house. Because after the firearm went off, I ran from the kitchen to the bedroom. Yafastelaka ngithi ushilo ke ukuthi uSenzo kunalo wesibili ke owayemcinezela ubondeni. Wamcinezele kuphi mayelana nale fastela leli elibonakala lapha yana.
Ka right mongena I think ila somewhere like.
Okay.
Ma ka right mongena.
It's on the right hand side as we go inside. I think it's up in the point. I think it's there. That's
Inside.
Yes, inside.
Yes. Thank you. Yes, you may proceed.
ungaqhubeka ke.
So mase ngivalile kamereni mase ngizwa ukuthi sekukhuluma abantu ababela endlini because since ngaya efesteri ngathothi ngamabhakhe ngabuya ngenze emnyango upress and ukupressa kwami umnyango angipress ngimile nale valo lokuthi mhlawumbe uzoza la bekupressa ngihleli phansi.
As I was in the bedroom, since I ran into the bedroom, I was leaning or sort of like pressing against the door. And I wasn't standing, I was seated because I had this fear that this person might come to this bedroom. And then I heard voices of the people that were inside the house.
So mangizwa labantu abasendlini bekhuluma mangithi ngiyavula umnyango awuvuleki mangaphakathi.
As I was hearing the voices of the people that were inside the house, as I tried to open the door, I couldn't open it from the inside.
I think umthoko uye wezwa ngivulela noma ngespoon or something wavula ngaphandle.
I think it was in Togo. He managed to open the door from the outside. I think he used a spoon.
So mangiphuma ngizwa wonke umuntu bizigama la Senzo.
And as I came out, I could hear everyone calling out Senzo's name.
So mangiya straight etiming ngathola uSenzo alele between isofa next to la behleli khona wakhe la kulelo lokuzana kune stand bese kubilo sofa alele la phakathi kwesofa ne stand.
Okay. And as I came out, I went straight to the dining room and I found Senzo laying there. It was just next to where Kelly's mother was seated. See, the witness is emotional. Next to where Kelly's mother was seated, between the couch as well, there's a stand there. That's where Senzo was laying.
Oh, you found Senzo lying on the floor.
Yes.
And was Kelly's mother still there?
Bebakhona endlini.
They were inside the house.
Okay.
Photo 59 of Exhibit B, which appears on page 61. Can you show where you saw the deceased?
Asibonisa ukuthi wayelele kuphi.
Ubekalele la.
He was laying there. I think that's right in front of the stand, in front of the couch.
Kunespace nyana lapha.
There's a little space. Sorry. Okay, there's a little space there.
Turn to page photo 60, sorry, on page 62, page 64 of Exhibit B.
Yeah. Ubekalele la usenzo.
Senzo was lying there.
Lying, or in which position was he lying then?
Elele ngayiphi position noma elele kanjani?
Indlela bekalele ngakhona ngazi ubekalele ezini beyokucasha or something because ubekalele. Ubekalele angathulele kanje angathi ungene ayangana umvekacasha or something.
I don't know whether he was hiding because of the manner in which he was lying, my lord. Witness referring to the one side, the left-hand side, like this, facing down.
Yes.
Well, I wonder if maybe it's not the appropriate time to take the adjournment. It's to allow the witness to compose himself. We sit tomorrow.